Simon Says subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.
Footnotes and endnotes are a way of adding additional reference information into your document. And the only real difference between footnotes and endnotes is that footnotes will appear at the foot of the page where you've added the note, whereas endnotes will appear at the end of the document. So let's take a look at an example of both so you understand what they're used for. Now, I'm currently working on page number 2 of this document, and I'm just going to pick a little piece of text out of here that I want to add some additional reference information for. So maybe where I talk about online video, I want to just add a little reference note here about copyright. So what I can do is I can jump up to References and notice that we have a footnotes section. So I'm going to insert a footnote. Now notice, whatever you have highlighted when you insert the footnote, you're going to get a little tiny number next to it, in this case a 1. And then underneath, right at the end of the document, I get another little 1 where I can type my footnote. So I'm just going to remind them that if they're going to use online video, they need to make sure that they check the copyright on that video first. So there we go. I could select something else. So maybe let's go for cover page. Again, I'm going to insert a footnote and I get a little number 2 underneath. And I can then add my footnote. So footnotes will appear at the foot of the page where you've added the note. Now, endnotes are very similar, but instead of appearing at the foot of the page, they're going to be at the end of the document. So if I scroll down, let's choose something else in here. I'm going to choose the word, let's say table, for example. And this time I'm going to insert an endnote. Now notice it jumps me all the way down to the last page of this document, and I can then type my note. And there we go, really nice and straightforward. So just make sure that you know the difference between an endnote and a footnote. Now, before we finish up, let's just make sure we understand what these other buttons do in this footnotes group. Now, where we have next footnote, we have a little drop down. This just enables us to navigate quickly through our document using the footnotes and the endnotes. So I'm currently at the start of the document. If I click on next footnote, it's going to jump me down to the relevant part of the page. If I click on next endnote, it's going to jump me to where I have that first endnote, which if you recall was the word table. Also notice that wherever you have a footnote or an endnote, if you hover over that word, it's going to actually show you in a little screen tip, in a little text box that pops up, exactly what that footnote or endnote is, so you don't really have to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. We also have a Show Notes button here, and this will just simply jump to the footnotes or the endnotes in your document. So I can say I want to view the footnote area. If I click on OK, it's going to jump me to there, or I can choose to view the endnote area. Again, just a quick way of getting to those two different sections. But that is it. That is as complicated as footnotes and endnotes get. Give them a go and try using them in your next document.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.